And this is another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor sent to me a free product. This is a paid review. So let's open the product and see what we got here. And today it is by the WADDDDI company, WADDDI company. And it is a switching adapter. It is a charger for your phone or whatever else, what have you. And it is a pair of them, which is nice to get two charging heads. And it is for a normal USB adapter. And let's just see if it gives me the amps rating. It is a 5-watt charger, 1 amp. So it's a decent amperage rating, probably more of a standard amperage rating. So it comes out of there with a USB, and there's one black and one white. So you get a pair of them, so that's very nice, very distinguishable, his and hers, if you will, on the either side of the bed. So you get a pair of them, that's very nice. And you can take them, and if you have a phone, or this is my watch charger, you can just plug that right in there, no problem at all. Plug it into the wall, and you're charging your watch right off the bat. Or if you need to charge your phone with a mini C, USB to mini C, and you're off to the races. So I would highly recommend getting your WADDDDI chargers today.